Thought I would do an update on these are my Chocolate Orpingtons. And as you can see, I have two broody mamas here. But I also added some Blue Orpingtons to the mix. I may not be completely correct on if it's the boy, but I think if you breed a chocolate rooster over Blue Hens, you have a possibility of getting Mauve. And right now, if you're wondering what I'm doing, I'm throwing out their fermented feed. And throwing these two cows out of their home. Sorry about the video. And I'm going to steal eggs, because I'm getting ready to set eggs. But you can see there is some of my blue girls. So hopefully I'll start getting Mauve chicks. But that's my chocolate and blue. And look at that big boy. He's so pretty. And there's the blue girls out there. I'll let you guys know once I get some of these hatched what I end up with. And I can double check. I'll put it down in the, I'll put a copy. I'll either put a copy of it at the end of the video, or I'll find a copy of the way the genetics work and save it for you guys.